So, my Cyan figures came in. Let's have a look. Before I open one of the boxes. I have 3 boxes, the other one's up there with the rest of my figurines. That one's not getting opened. She's got multiple pieces. She's a Nendoroid. Let's look at the box for a moment before I open one. I believe the box on the inside becomes a stage. I am not sure though. Alright. With that out of the way, let's open it. I'm gonna try to keep the box in good condition here. I have a little thing where I keep all my boxes safe and in good condition. If you would bend, please. Thank you. And let's open this. Flap's getting in the way. You can kind of see that there's the makings of a stage in there. And let's reach in there and pull this out. Let's see what we got. We got the little mini Cyan figure when she's in her cat form. We've got the main Cyan with exchangeable expression, arms, and what is that? Tail? Yeah, tail. Got more arms, different hand, and that hand is actually to hold strawberry guitar. Strawberry heart. And I do not see any platforms, but there's more apparently. They think they're down here. And yes, they are. Let's get this thing open. Just pops open. Just like that. Oh, yes. I'm excited. I am really excited. Can't you tell? Okay, I'm gonna need both hands for this. Both hands for this. All packaging. Oh. Third time's the charm. Here we go. Whoa, ooh, yeah. Third time is the charm, it seems. Okay. Here's Cyan's platform. It has multiple holes on it, so that you can position her exactly the way you want. It seems like this little back piece can pop off too. With enough effort. I'll deal with that later. Oh, of course, when I deal with it, when I give up, it get it off, right? There's tons of small pieces, including this. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. Let's remove the tape. Well, no, let's get the main Cyan out first. And remove the tape from her eyes. She's got this plastic... Oh, I know what that is. I think I know what that is. I'm gonna need both hands to be sure. I hope I know what that is. I was wrong. I have no idea what that is. Oh, Oh, no, I was right. The hair comes off. Then her face comes off. That is a terrifying sight. There's nightmare. That there's nightmare fuel for days. Ugh. Okay, let's put the face back on. I'm gonna take care of you. If I can figure out how. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Ooh. So I put it back together, thank God. You don't have to look at the Nightmare Cyan again. Though that would be a cool addition. Not really. But I did find something out. I found out that her leg comes off. Don't know why I would need the leg to come off, considering that I don't have any replacements. Wait. Oh, that's what this is for. Okay, something happens to the leg and that part breaks. Okay, let's unmutilate you, Cyan. Let's put your leg back on. Oh, yeah, your leg bends. That's why. Okay. Enough taking parts off for now. So now I'm gonna figure out this stand. And hopefully I don't lose a part in the process, cause they're all see-through. Yeah, I have her first pose. Look at that. The upper torso twists, and so does the skirt, and the legs also twist. The head, I don't know how much I can do. I don't really want to touch it, but I can do a 360. I think it can, at least. And I figured out how the thing in the back works. One goes into her back, and the other goes into her bottom to hold her up. And it seems like the joints allow full flexibility, which is really cool. And this thing, I believe, is to hold up the box. See, if you look in there, it's got kind of like a stage. It's used to hold up the box if you decide to unfold it and use it as a stage. And this, just going on a whim, is for the mini Cyan. It looks like it. I'll just put this in her back here. The mini Cyan cannot be customized. But it is still cute as fuck. Shit.